On today's video, I'm going to show you 2 work from home jobs that you can start now to earn $25 per hour working from home without any skills and without any experience. The best part is that all these work from home jobs are available worldwide. You don't need any certificate to get started. Everything is completely free and there are a lot of different payment methods that you can use to receive your money that you earn. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything about all these work from home jobs that you need to know. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first work from home job that you can start now is to become an online teacher. There are a lot of different websites that gives you the opportunity to teach online and then get paid, but most of them they restrict people based on the country that they live. But the website that I'm going to show you now allows you to teach wherever you are in the world. The name of the website is preply.com. So once you search for preply.com, you are going to see a page like this. This is their website. You can see everything. They have about 120 plus subjects. Any subject that you know, you can apply and then teach on this website, and you are going to be earning up to $25 per every hour that you teach. You can see they are available in 180 plus countries. So wherever you are in the world, you can join this website. Some of the subjects include languages. So you can see these are languages. Any of these languages that you understand, you can apply and then teach. Apart from languages, there are other subjects that you can apply and then teach on this website. Everything is simple. You don't need any kind of experience to get started on this website. When you scroll down, you can see become a tutor. Let me click on it for you to see. When you click on become a tutor, they'll show you the guidelines that you can follow to become a teacher. So once you click on it, you can create your accounts and then become a teacher on this website. But before you create an account, let me show you some of the details. You can see set your own rate. Choose your hourly rate and change it anytime. Anytime that you want, you can change your hourly rate. You can see on average, English tutors charge $15 to $25 per hour. So that is the average. If you want, you can increase it to $30. You can decrease it. It depends on your own will. So any amount that you want, you can charge per hour, but it must be reasonable so that it can attract people to sign up for your classes so that you can be making a lot of money. You can see teach anytime, anywhere. Wherever you are, you can teach. At any time that you want, you can teach. No minimum time commitment or fixed schedule. Be your own boss. Anytime that you want, you can teach. The duration of the lesson is based on your own understanding. There is no specific duration for a lesson. So your lesson can be 1 hour, it can be 30 minutes, it can be 10 minutes, 25 minutes. It depends on what you are going to teach. You can see attend professional development webinars. So from time to time, you are also going to be getting some webinars that will help you to improve on your skills. Let me scroll down to the frequently asked questions. You can see right here, what kind of tutors does Preply look for? When you click on it, you can see no specific certification or teaching experience is required. That means you don't have to be a teacher. You can start from here. You don't need to have a degree or any teaching certificate to get started on this website. These are the things that they need. You don't need any skills. You don't need any experience or certificate to get started. You can see what subject can I teach. When you click on it, we have over 100 subjects on Preply, including languages, school, university subjects, hobbies, and art. Any of those things that you want, you can teach on this website and you are going to get paid. Let me scroll down. You can see how do I become an online teacher at Preply. When you click on it, these are the steps that you have to follow. Provide some basic information about yourself, upload your headshot photo, describe your strengths as a tutor, record a short video introduction. So you have to record a video introduction of yourself, about 2 minutes video. You have to record a video about yourself, telling them about what you can do and what you cannot do as a teacher. You can see choose your availability. You have to also tell them the time that you are available so that they will get to know your schedule. Apart from that, when I scroll down, you can see how can I get my profile approved quickly. There is a guidelines for that. What should I teach on Preply? When you click on it, they will tell you the reasons. Earn by sharing what you know and the rest. So there are a lot of different things that you can learn about this website. Is it free to create a tutor profile on Preply? When you click on it, you can see yes, you are not required to pay anything before you sign up for an account. But when you sign up for an account, any amount that you earn, they are going to be charging a percentage. You can see they will charge 30% and it will decrease to 18%. It depends on the number of days and hours that you spend on the website. If you spend a lot of time on the website, the amount that they are going to deduct from your earning is going to be decreased to 18%. You can see it right here. So this is one of the best websites that you can join to make money from home. All that you need to do is that you have to sign up for an account. You can sign up with your Google, you can use your Facebook accounts, you can also sign up with your email so that you can get access to a free account. Once you get access to a free account, what you have to do is that you have to follow the guidelines so that your accounts will be approved and you are going to start teaching on this website so that you can be making money from home. What computer equipment do I need to teach on Preply? So when I click on it, you can see you need a laptop or a desktop computer, stable internet connection, a webcam, a microphone for conducting lessons in Preply virtual classroom. So those are the things that you need to get started on this website. As you can see right here, these are some teachers who are working on the website, and you can see the amount that they are charging. Some are charging $10, some are charging $28. You can see there are many others who are teaching on this website and they are making a lot of money. You can see this person is charging $25. When you scroll down, there are many teachers and you can see the amount that they are charging. This person is charging $25. When you scroll down, the next teacher is charging $20 and many others. So it depends on the rate that you want to charge per your lesson. So there are many people who are charging $20, $25, $10. You can see this person is charging $30. You can see 50-minute lesson. The teacher is charging $30 per 50 minutes lesson. So there are many other examples. As a school, you can see many examples of teachers who are charging $30 per lesson. This teacher is charging $30 per 50-minute lesson. There are many of them. Let me scroll. You can see $22. When you click on page 2, you see many other teachers who are working on this platform and they are making a lot of money. If you don't want English language, you can come here, click on it, and then select any language. You can see they have a lot of different languages. For example, let's click on Spanish so that you can see how much people are charging per every Spanish lesson. You can see some are charging $15, some are even charging $100. You can see it here. This teacher is charging $100 per 50 minutes lesson in Spanish. So there are many others. You can see $22, $22, $22, $22, $14, $30, $24, $19, and many others. You click on page 2, you see many other teachers who are working on this website and they are making money from home. So what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account as a tutor so that you can also be making money on this website, teaching other people different languages and different subjects. Apart from this website, you can also teach on Skillshare.com. On this website, you are going to be paid based on the number of views that you get. The number of people who view your lessons, you are going to be paid. On this website, you don't need to be live on camera teaching. What you need to do is that you have to record your lessons in videos. Once you record them, you upload them onto the platform and people are going to be watching your lessons. Once they watch, you are going to be paid per the views that you get. You can see you can make a lesson on music, you can make a lesson on drawing and painting, marketing, animation, social media. You can see UX design, creative writing, digital illustration, film and video, craft, freelance entrepreneurship, graphic designing, photography, productivity, and many others. Any niche that you know, you can record videos about it and then upload it onto this website so that you can be making money. Let me scroll down to the teacher button so that I can show you how people are making money on this website. So just scroll down to the button of the website. Once you scroll down, you are going to search for become a teacher. So you can see it right here, become a teacher. Click on it. Once you click on become a teacher, you can apply to become a teacher on this website. The application process is very simple and you are going to be approved immediately. You don't need any certificate to get started on this website. You can see by teaching on Skillshare, you can grow your online following, give back, and earn money. Top earning teachers make 100,000 plus each year. That is the amount of money that some teachers make on this website. So if you also upload your lessons, you can earn a lot of money per month and per year. All that you need to do is that you have to keep on uploading different lessons onto the website, and you are going to be getting people who will view them. You don't have to drive traffic to the website. This website, they already have people who are willing to watch lessons. So once you publish your lessons, you can get people who will watch your lessons. While they watch it, you are going to be paid based on the number of views that you get. You can see, how can I earn money? Let me click on it for you to see. You will earn money through monthly royalties based on the amount of minutes watched in your classes, plus a referral bonus for every student you refer to Skillshare. There are two ways that you can earn. One is when people watch your lessons. Another is when you refer a friend to this website. So if you join as a teacher, you still have the chance to refer people to the website so that you can be making money. So if you create your Twitter accounts, you still have the option to refer people and then earn money anytime they join this website. You can see the referral awards. You are going to be earning $15 per every student that you get. You can see, get a cash reward when your friends sign up for Skillshare. Bonus, your friends get rewarded too. So your friends are going to be rewarded when they sign up through your referral link, and you are also going to be earning money when they join through your referral link. So anytime you refer a friend, they will earn a bonus and you are going to be earning money. You can see, receive a $15 reward when your friend starts and maintain a paid membership without refunding. This website is not free for students. They have to pay a monthly fee or a yearly fee so that they can learn the lessons on this website. So if you refer a friend who will join the website and make a payment either monthly or yearly, you are going to be earning $15 reward per every friend that you get. So this website is one of the best that you can use to make money online from home, working from home. You don't need any certificate, you don't need any kind of skills. All that you need to do is that you have to sign up for an account. Once you sign up for an account, you can use your phone, record a lesson and then upload it onto the website. Once you upload it, when people watch the lessons, you are going to be paid monthly based on the number of people who watch your lessons. So you have to provide value in your lessons so that you can get many people to watch several minutes of your lessons. Once they watch several minutes of your lessons, you are going to be paid higher amount every month. Apart from working from home, you can also create your own digital product and then sell it online. You are the one who will determine the price, and the best part is that you don't need any skills, you don't need any experience to create a digital info product. You can start right now, create your own digital product and begin to sell it online. You don't need a lot of investment. I have a step-by-step guide on how to create your own digital info products and then sell them online. What you have to do is that you have to check at the description of this video. Once you check, you see a link like this. Click on it so that you can be taken to the guide. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. This is an ebook that will show you step by step on how to create your own digital product and then sell it online. The best part is that I've reduced the price so that many people can get access to it. You can see I've reduced it from $13.92 to $2.49. I'm going to increase the price in the coming weeks. So make sure you click on download now. Once you click on download now, enter your details so that you can get access to the guide. Once you get access, you learn how to create your own digital products even if you have zero skills and experience. Everything is very easy. I have written it step by step so that every beginner can understand and then create a digital product so that they can sell it online and make money from home. So make sure you take action now before I increase the price. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.